Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we got a question from one of our viewers, so I thought I'd just make a video of this so that I can answer the question in full. It is, what makes a rugged battery rugged, and how's that different from a consumer style laptop battery? Well, let's talk about rugged. They're built to be fully rugged, built to military standards, so they are vibration, shock proof, direct water spray proof, that sort of thing. So you would expect all the components in the laptop to be the same style build. Like for example, in a CF54, you've got the battery, which looks like this, and there are different kinds of laptop batteries. What the rugged battery market uses is the lithium ion battery, and of course there's the lithium polymer and the nickel metal hydride, which is really old. We won't even get into that because that's way back 20, 30 years ago. But the lithium ion battery is the most popular style used. And if you look at this battery, you can see it is totally sealed. It's got rugged. I could throw this at somebody and this is not going to break. We could also dip this in water and pull it out, dry it off, and we would still be good to use it in our laptop. So that is one of the things about a rugged laptop's battery. It can withstand extreme heats, whether it's extremely cold or extremely hot. Guess what? That battery's still going to work. As you know, rugged laptops are put in cars that vibrate like police cars, and the battery has electronics in it just like any other part of this laptop. So vibration doesn't affect it either. It's still going to work. Some other things you got to worry about is water spray, dust, dirt, grime. That's not even going to get into a sealed battery like this. So that is the difference, in my opinion, of a rugged laptop. But there's also other things to consider, like the hot swappability. Like the CF54, there's capability to put two batteries in this unit. One style battery looks like this. The other style battery, and this isn't the battery, this is a dummy that just covers the battery slot that's right here. This is a multi-bay slot, by the way. We can put a CD-ROM if we wanted to, but there's also a battery that goes in there. So you could be running the laptop, say, on this battery, and swap this battery out and plug a new one in. The laptop would still be on. That's one form of the hot swap. The Getac S410 has the same capability. If you take a look here on the S410, this unit has two batteries. One of them standard, just like the 54, as well as the CD-ROM. Now this is a true secondary battery and you can see it's built in the same manner, nice stiff. It's all sealed up. We could throw this and still use it in our laptop. So hot swappability, you would have one battery installed. The unit would be running. Oh no, I got to replace this battery. You pull it out and you get the new battery, pop it in, and you're still running. So that's one way that the rugged laptop utilizes batteries versus a consumer. Also, it's just the ability to pull the battery out. Let's face it, today's retail laptops, you can't remove the battery. Here's a Dell. This isn't that old. There's no battery way to pull the battery out. It's built into the unit. It's designed not to be user replaceable. You would have to actually take this to a shop or take it on yourself to remove all the screws, get the battery out, and put the new one in. Not everybody's willing to do that. Another thing about the rugged laptop battery is chargeability. There's multiple ways to charge your battery. So on the standard retail, you just can plug it into the wall with your AC adapter. It's going to charge the battery. With the rugged laptops, we have the standard AC plug where it'll trickle charge it, or even the car adapter ability to plug it into your car and charge it, or the external charging bay. They sell bays that you would take these batteries out and put in the bay. It would charge the battery externally. So you have different options with a rugged laptop. Rapid charging. Another instance is they charge up a lot faster because of the electronics that are inside the battery that allows it to charge faster. So you're not waiting a lot of time for charging. Overall, in conclusion, they're better built, they can withstand rugged environments, and they're hot swappable as well as rapid charging. And you have multiple ways to charge it. But that's all I got to you on this question. Don't forget to like our channel and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.